What's up, sis? I'm back with another vlog. I hope y'all are enjoying my other vlogs so far. I'm having fun with Vlogmas. Sis, I recreated this green eye look because y'all was asking me like how can I do it? How did I do it? And I did it over. I feel like I liked it the first time though. Yeah, I don't know. Second time is a little bit off for me, but do y'all like it? What you think? I keep playing with my hair because I don't know why. So yeah, sis, I don't know. My mood today has been very like, I don't know. I think my period might be coming, but I just feel like today ain't it. So I think I've been trying to do things that are going to like lift me up. So like listening to music, I did a podcast, listening to my affirmation. I did everything I would normally do, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go get some Popeyes though. I'm about to get some Popeyes, a little spicy Jean. Yeah, eat some Popeyes real quick and then see what happens after that because I don't know. I don't know. I'm just not really feeling it today. But yes, today I filmed this makeup look and I've been editing some videos for Vlogmas. So I've been working, sis. I want to do this cute like fashion segment on my channel that I want to do. So let me know how you guys feel about that. I feel like I want to definitely do that. I think that would be cute, fun. And y'all said y'all wanted more fashion stuff. So I think I'm going to do that. So I've been brainstorming, trying to prep out that. Ooh, Lara Lashes is having a giveaway. The giveaway is open now. You can win up to 3 lashes from the Boss Lady collection. You get to choose them. And all you have to do is just follow me on Instagram at ANDELELARA and then follow my lash page, which is the Lara Lifestyle, and tag 2 friends. Comment why you or your friend deserve the lashes, because obviously I want to give it to somebody that actually really can benefit from the lashes. And put your favorite Christmas emoji because I love Christmas. So put like a tree, a present, you know, all that Christmas spirit stuff. I'm excited. I can't wait. This is my first giveaway and I hope it really goes to somebody that really deserves the lashes. Because I just want to give back to you guys for supporting me. And yeah, I think it's going to be dope. I'm hungry, sis. So I ain't going to hold you, but I'm hungry. But there's some Popeyes. Y'all rolling? What y'all want? I'll go get that. I'll put your order in.
Welcome to Popeyes. Can we take your order, please?
Hi, can I have a 2-piece chicken combo?
You want a spicy tomorrow?
Can I have spicy? And can you just have it just the drumsticks? 2 drumsticks.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Side with it?
Mashed potato.
Anything else?
And can I have an orange soda?
Yep.
And then hot sauce.
Alright. Anything else, ma'am?
That's it.
Drive by, please.
We about to eat some chicken. We about to eat some chicken. Ooh.
Stop running for no bring it to you.
Don't forget the hot sauce.
Alright.
No, you don't have to pack it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Thank you. They always, this Popeyes, I swear to you, like 80% of the time I've come here, they always make you pull up in the front to grab your food. And I don't mind. My boyfriend hates it. Like Luke be like, oh, why they always do that? But I don't mind, honestly, because the food comes out mad hot. So I don't really care. Like, as long as it comes out hot and fresh, we ain't got no problem. They be like, why we gotta wait for? He be mad hungry. But yeah, this song makes me happy.
Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better.
Nothing feels
We don't gotta hide.
down because copyright be hit. I don't play with copyright, so I'm just gonna turn that down. How I look cute. How y'all like my red hair though? I love it. It looks so cute. I love it. Like, I feel like I could do red all day. Yeah. You see that highlight though? What up highlight? Can we zoom in on that highlight? Oh, other way. Oh, y'all see that highlight though? Thank you. You too. Popeyes, 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 Popeyes. And I got my hot sauce. It's lit, sis. Oh my gosh. They forgot my biscuit. Sis, they forgot my biscuit. Oh. They forgot my biscuit. Like, what's Popeyes without no biscuit though? And I got my drink ready. Like, what's up? I'm tight, sis. I'm about to go right back in there and get my biscuit. Don't play. Don't play with me. I was like, sir, you forgot my biscuit. It's cold in these streets. It's so cold. Got me out here. You forgot my biscuit. Yeah. Thank you. Ooh. Thank you. Ooh. Sis, it's so cold. Okay, sis, I went back and got the biscuit. You know, I have to get the biscuit. Oh, he gave me two. He gave me 2 biscuits. Okay. I deserve that too after walking through that basically ice storm. Like, I feel like my hair is about to just freeze off. I'm hungry, sis. Sis, this is about to turn into a mukbang. I'm about to say IQ. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Lucky is barking like crazy because I put him in his crate, but sis, I'm like really not feeling well. I got this headache. I'm about to put some Excedrin in so I can go to sleep in peace. Drink some water. I've been trying to drink like OD water today because I felt like maybe I could be dehydrated. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm about to just tie down my wig and secure my whole wig, take off my makeup, and move on with today. So now let's get, I'm about to take this Excedrin like I was telling y'all before because my head hurts so bad. Protect thy lace. While I was washing my face, got bars. I know this vlog was a little bit boring. I mean, all we did was eat Popeyes. Yeah, but hey, it's just one of those days. What can you do? Tomorrow will be better. So I'll see you
I felt like it was one of those days where I had to push.
Yeah.
I'm greedy. I just asked her if she wants some. Females always do that.
You think he's so tough, babe? Nice and spicy.
You and your hanger eater.
Huh?
You choked on the hanger.
Look. We're not. You ain't invited to the party, son. You Aggie.
Make your lip hot. Go ahead, promote that. Oh, this new pretty thing, Matus. Matus lip gloss.
They don't know about Matus. You have to add that to your cup noodles too. Cup, you do my lighting. Ah, yes.
Yeah.
That's me.
I'm eating.
That's me. My Chanel bags are very dark. Alright, y'all. I'm out. For real this time. See you in the next vlog. Adios. Male. Na pale pizza.